Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is part 2. Somebody wanted to make a memorial using a sunshine, and I just realized I missed one of them here, but you could make a contour of the letters, and you can see if you get close, the sunshine would not, the word would not interfere with the sunshine. So you could make it look like it was there. He kind of wanted it in the background. This is really simple and easy to do. Let's just delete this one. Get rid of our lines, and I always make a copy when I do stuff like this, and this is why, because we're just going to start over. So what you're going to do, you're going to take the word sunshine, and you might want to use a different font that's a little thicker. Let's go with Cooper Black, and let's just bring it up into the sunshine area, the rays of the sun. Let's zoom in. Let's go ahead and convert this to a outline. So I'm going to left click, right click, and then we got that. Now this font particularly isn't going to work perfect because, well, it might work fine because when we contour, they're kind of touching already. So we're going to go to effects and contour the outside 0.09. You could go a little bit heavier. Let's go a little bit heavier in this one. Let's go 0.01. Well, 0.1, I guess. 0.1. Yeah, you got a little bit bigger contour there. Go up to Object and break contour apart. Take the center out by clicking on it, and then fill that in with black. Now, take your Smart Fill tool, and I'm going to use black just so it'll be better on the screen because you're going to need to make it a black anyway. And then Smart Fill that, and then zoom in and just Smart Fill all the parts that the Smart Fill didn't get to because of the fact that it's, and that's why you want to zoom in. Sorry about that. You want to zoom in to get the Smart Fill tool and those little bitty rays of the sun, and just make sure you get them all, anywhere that it went through the letter you don't want to get. And if it like goes through the letter, you can put it there. That's a little bitty minute deal. See if I can get it this time. And I think we got it all. Then all you basically have to do is take your sunshine away. Well, let's remove the text by just cursing it down, and you can see. So I'm going to go ahead and take this line away because now we've just got our Smart Fill, and we can grab all the Smart Fill. Let's grab or we can grab the text and bring it up. And I'm using the nudge tool with the arrows, so it just nudged it right back. So this way the sunshine isn't interfering, because I said in the first video, even if you make this a gray, it's going to show through. And to make them all gray, just select the whole thing and make them gray. I'm pretty sure it's going to grade the tile almost identically, whether it's black or gray. It might work. I've never really tried gray on a tile, but that way it would still stand out. You could still read your, if it's a memorial for a person, probably the best thing to me would be to, let me get this out of the way. Grab all that, Control G, and group it, and then mirror it horizontally like that. Of course, you'd have to redo, but have this, maybe the sunshine coming up like it's a sunshine or a sunset or a sunrise. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit, and thank you for watching.